Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create a custom audience using the behavior targeting on Facebook ads or Instagram ads. Now, for those of you who are new to this channel, kindly hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon. Let's get straight into this without further ado. No time at all. When you get to your ads manager, now once you navigate to the left hand side, you're actually going to see different kind of options. You're going to see ads reporting, audience, billing and payment, ad account settings and all too. So you're going to click on audience. Now let me just try to right click and open it in a new tab. Okay, you click on audience and this is actually what you are going to be getting in the audience tab. Now before you do anything in your ads manager, you should understand that you need to have your payment method solved. And for those who want to have PU Naira payment method in their ads account, or you have a debt in your ads account and your ad account is disabled, chat this number on the screen and I can be able to, solve all this problem for you right on WhatsApp immediately as we speak. First thing you want to do right now is you want to click on create audience. Once you click on create audience, you're going to see three different kind of audience you can be able to create. Now the first one, we have custom audience. The second one we have lookalike audience. The third one we have saved audience. This custom audience, let's just click on this. Let's check what it entails. Choose a custom audience source. Connect with people who have already shown an interest in your business or product. That is, you want to create a list of people who have shown an interest in your business or product. So you can choose to create a custom audience from your website, app activity, catalog, customer list, by uploading a customer list, offline activity, and a meta source which is video, lead form, instant experience, shopping, augmented reality, Instagram account, that is people who have been able to do anything with you on Instagram, event, Facebook page, on Facebook listing, and so much more. Now let's just click on this Facebook page and let's click on next. Let's see what they are actually going to give us. So I'm just going to click on the page I want to create audience for, and I'm going to click on IO is marketing. You're going to see the event. Okay, now you're going to click on it. You're going to see everyone who engaged with your page. Click on it to choose more option that you want. You can click on people who currently like or follow your page. You see it at the top. Everyone who engaged with your page, anyone who visited your page, account center account who engaged with any post or ad. Do you understand? Account center account who clicked any call to action, be it send message, go to website. We're going to see the last, which is who sent a message to your page. So for me, let's just say if you click on people who currently like or follow your page, do you understand? Maybe you want to run ads to your only followers, your followers. You type in the audience name. Do you understand? You can say my followers. Okay, and you put a description and you click on create audience, and that audience will be created. And just give it a while and you can start running ads to it. That's for the custom audience. Now for the lookalike audience, let's click on it. Do you understand? Once you click on create audience, we click on the second option. I'm just trying to break it down for you. Follow this YouTube account immediately as you are watching this video. Let's click on lookalike audience and you're going to see select your lookalike source. If you click on it, do you understand? You're going to see a value based source, nothing. Just click on other source, and once you click on other source, then you can be able to choose the page. Let me click on iOS marketing, do you understand, which is the page I want to create it from. You're going to select audience location. Okay, you can type in Nigeria. This lookalike audience deals with you saying, okay, fine, I have followers on my Facebook page, I have people who have been able to engage with my product or services, I have custom audience already, but Facebook, I want you to create people who look like my custom audience. I want you to go and look for them on Facebook. I don't know how you want to do it, do you understand? And I want you to get it from this country, this country, this country. So let's say for instance, this is where you are going to specify that. Let's say for instance you type in Nigeria, you can set Nigeria here. I want you to get people who look like my custom audience from Nigeria. Let's say maybe you want to get it from United States. You click on it, United States. Let's say maybe you want to get it from Kenya too. Do you understand? You click on that, and once you are done, once you are okay with the custom audience location, do you understand, then number of lookalike audience, just choose 1%. That 1%, this percent determines how much the look-alike audience will be accurate. You understand? The accuracy of the look-alike audience. If you choose 1%, which is the most accurate, do you understand? That is good. If you choose 2%, it's okay. 3%, do you understand? So I just used to advise people that don't choose more than 2% at least. But if you want to be more specific and precise, just choose 1%. A 1% lookalike consists of the account center most similar to your lookalike audience source. Increasing the percentage create a bigger, broader audience. You can see what I'm talking about. So you click on create audience, and that will be created for you, and you can be able to use that when you are trying to run your ads. This save audience is just a normal audience creation. If you could just name your audience here, and this is just like creating a normal audience. Do you understand? Like you want to create it right here, then whenever you want to run your ads, you just use the targeting you have used to run your ads. Now this is where you can be able to use your behavior targeting. You can use this keyword targeting. You can use interest or whatever. Now for those who don't know the target audience they can use for their business, you can chat me on WhatsApp. I'll craft out an audience for you, and you'll be able to use it with your advertising, because this is actually the core of every other targeting because for you to be able to build a custom audience, you need to first use this detailed saved audience first. So once you now use this and you now get people who are engaging already, that is when, so this is the foundation. So if you don't get it right, it's actually going to be cooked. Do you understand? So you can chat me and I'll be able to solve this for you. So this is it for this video.